Hello everyone and Merry Christmas if you're watching this on Christmas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for Christmas this year. This is like one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. I just find it really interesting. I think it's just a really lighthearted video. I know Christmas isn't about all the gifts and about who you're surrounded with, but I think it's super fun just to share and see what everyone else got. And I know you guys love watching these too. And I did not exchange gifts with my brothers yet. My dad has been sick and I actually have not been feeling well myself with my Crohn's and everything. So we just decided when my dad is feeling better though, we're gonna go travel to Delaware to see my brothers and my nephew. So yeah, it'll be super exciting to look forward to. I'm gonna be sharing though what I got today for Christmas. I have two gifts that I bought myself and then I'll show you guys what else I got. So we're gonna get started with a little luxury treat. It is from Jo Malone. I feel like I love anything from Jo Malone. It's just so pretty and so luxurious, like the packaging. So I got this Jo Malone perfume. I just love the little ribbon on it. So it comes in this box. And I got the Peony and Blush Suede. It is so beautiful, and I've actually had a mini size of this, but I kind of mentioned on one of my videos and I got it for Christmas. So yeah, it's amazing. I love the Peony and Blush Suede scent. I think it's like one of their #1 selling scents, and I can see why. And the packaging is just so nice to have on your vanity or on your dresser. So I got that. And then I also got the matching Peony and Blush Suede body and hand lotion. So this will look so pretty on my bathroom counter. My mom and I both, we purchased these for ourselves before Christmas as like little Christmas gifts to ourselves. They're the Sony Clover and Love Shack Fancy collaboration that they did together. And they came out with these like makeup pouches for travel. That's a little add-on. So as I said, I already had this for myself. We each bought ourselves these. Went ahead and for Christmas got me these. So these are the letters that you add on. Got C-A-R-I-N for Karen. So you could basically, they're like stickers. They stay on like that, but they have like gold glitter. The next thing I got are a pair of cashmere socks. These are like pure cashmere, and you guys, these are from the White Company from London, and oh my goodness, they're called bed socks, and they're 100% cashmere. They are like the ultimate luxury treat. I mean, they're just absolutely beautiful, so I can't wait to cozy up with these. Next is a super fun gift. It's like a limited edition item, and this is for the Taylor Swift sweatshirt. It is so cute because it has like all her like eras. You guys know I'm like a major Swiftie, and so it has all the way from like the Taylor Swift like album era to like Fearless, and then Speak Now, Red, 1989, then Reputation, and then Lover. So it has every single like Taylor Swift from each era, and it's a nice oversized sweatshirt, and I just think it's so fun to have. If you're like a Swiftie, I think it's a really nice piece to have and be like cozy in to lounge around in. So yeah, I got this size small, and I think it's actually like the perfect fit. It's like very slightly oversized, which I wanted. So definitely super excited about this one. My cousin was FaceTiming me, so we got to chat a little bit. But I want to show you guys the next thing that I got, and then maybe I'll go over to the two items that I bought myself, and then we'll finish off the rest. So the next thing I got is a Barefoot Dreams blanket. I've actually been wanting a second blanket, and this one is like the little bit of a thinner one, so it'll be nice to have both options. And this is in like a beautiful like creamy color with like some taupe stripes, so super soft. And you guys know I love my Barefoot Dreams blanket. I have it on my bed. I don't know if you can see a little bit of it right here. I just love that thing so much, so I'm really excited to have another one like for my living room or just to travel with, and I think it'll be really, really nice. Definitely excited about this. Okay, the next thing that I got is from Chanel. I ordered this online for myself, so it came really beautifully packaged. It has like a Chanel little like band around it, like a metallic band. And let's open it up and see what's inside. I kind of actually already opened this up for myself before this video, but we will still unbox it. It comes really nicely wrapped from their online store. It's actually from the beauty section. Any guesses what it is? It came with a pouch, like a Chanel pouch of samples for free, which was nice. And then I picked out, this is actually something that I've had a long time ago, and then I stopped using it, and now I don't know why. And I wanted to start using it again. So I got the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. It's like just a creamy bronzer, and the packaging is really nice too. So it's like kind of like a nice decorative piece on your vanity with the little Chanel logo. But It's a really, really good bronzer. So I ordered that online. I will link everything below that I could find. And next up is Louis Vuitton. I'm really excited about this. I wanted to treat myself to something just a little bit different. So here's the box. I actually have the rib. I already obviously unboxed it. It came with this like holiday like white ribbon with the gold Louis Vuitton logo on it. Okay, any guesses on what this is? It's actually like more of an accessory, not a handbag. So it's something really different. I feel like this is what I've been told is that it's more on the rare side to find. I actually tried to get this at one point and it was like sold out online for such a long time. And then literally almost as I gave up like that I was gonna have to get it in store, it became available online like literally last second. I'm like, wow, this is like meant to be. So here it is. I got the Nice BB. This is like the makeup like toiletry case. And I just think it is just ultra chic and just beautiful on my vanity. I think I might even put some of my everyday makeup in here just to have, or I could even just travel with it as well, which is a nice option. And I've been looking at reviews online of this and this surprisingly holds quite a bit. So it has like the top handle here and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris on here. It has the two zipper pulls. And then when you open it up, it has the air paper inside. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it's just a nice, really roomy case, and it has like little pouches on the sides and a little pouch right here as well, just for a little bit of organization. I know they sell organizers for these, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use one. I may just actually just like, you know, use it, love it, and if it gets a little bit of makeup on it, I mean, that's what it's for. I feel like it's just on the inside. And then it does obviously have like a little zipper section here. It has like the care booklet inside. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I think it's different. So those were the two things, as I said, that I bought for myself. Let's go on to a few more other items that I got for Christmas. I got this really beautiful, this is an Audrey Hepburn book. You guys know Audrey Hepburn is like one of my style icons. I just love, love, love her style. And I got this beautiful coffee table book. I'm gonna open this up because I didn't get a chance to open it. It's really heavy and it's like really big. I'd say it's at least like, I know like a 12, I think it's about 12 inches high. It's like that big. So I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, like piece of decor, but also to like read through. It's a coffee table book. It's stunning. And the side binding, which is always nice for decor. It's so cute. It says always Audrey. It just has some really, really pretty pictures for fashion inspiration. I just think it's really, really nice. Something to just flip through, easy to go through, not too much floral design and Audrey, and the whole color scheme will go perfect with my decor for my living room. And a few more like just little gifts. So this next thing is something my mom and I have always joked about getting, just because whenever we're like in Ulta or like Target, we see these lip smackers, like the Coca-Cola ones. I thought this would be we always thought this would be like really cool to try. So yeah, I got it for Christmas. And it has like the Coca-Cola, like the classic Coca-Cola, the cherry Coke, vanilla Coke, and Sprite. So I think it's super fun. It's just a really cute gift. So it has like the little tin. I also got a wet brush, and this is a super adorable bell packaging from Beauty and the Beast. Super cute. I love using a wet brush. I have extensions, but I do use wet brushes like from here down. And then, is this the last thing I think? I think this is the last thing. Okay, so in my past gift guides, I mentioned Bombas socks for men. And then I've always like, I mentioned how I'm like, I wonder how the women's socks would be. So I got these in my little stocking. And these are the Bombas for women in the pink. And these just, as I said, I can't wait to use these. These feel like really, really high quality socks. And yeah, I think they're really fun. So as I said, I'll try to link anything below that I can. And that way you guys can check it out. Not only these items that were gifted to me, but just for the people who are around me this holiday season. And I just feel really, really blessed to have them in my life. I will be filming a best of like 2019 like beauty and fashion and lifestyle products. So it's kind of like a favorites video, but for the entire year. So definitely stay tuned. I'm actually gonna film that next. So yes, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful holiday season. Let me know what your favorite part of the holiday season was. If you had a certain gift that you were really excited about, comment that down below because I love just hearing what everyone else got. Or if there was a certain Christmas memory that you really cherished this year, then definitely comment that below as well. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.